Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai. It could be almost any Hyundai. If you have rattle noise coming from the rear suspension, stay with us. We'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. We'll share a few things that can do that. One of them is super common, by the way, and it will happen on almost any high mileage car or even lower mileage car if you live where you have more potholes, okay, and more bumpy roads as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So with that being said, let's explain what can cause easily that. We have that Hyundai Sonata, guys, right here in the air, so we want to show you, okay, what can cause that noise rattle. If you look at the suspension, guys, okay, the Hyundai's, okay, except if you have a Hyundai Accent or maybe Hyundai Elantra, but Sonata, Santa Fe's, you know, they usually have more complicated suspension. You have multiple control arm links right here, one here, another one over there, one on the bottom. So pretty complicated suspension, something kind of like a Mercedes, BMWs and Audis as well. If you look on the control arm, usually you will have a sway bar right here, as that's your sway bar, and that will be the sway bar link, okay, right there. The purpose of that sway bar link is to connect the sway bar, okay, to the control arm on the passenger and driver side, so it makes your car really stable when going through turns. But the sway bar links are the first thing to go bad, guys. Okay, you have ball joint here, okay, and if that ball joint, okay, wears out, usually when you go through bumps and potholes, you will have quite a bit of movement and they will eventually wear out. When it wears out, it will develop that rattle when you go through little bumps. Another thing that can cause that now, okay, will be the sway bar attaches to the car frame, okay, right here with, you can see, with one bushing on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. So here, if those bushings fail, if they develop play, you can hear quite a bit of noise and rattle too. Another thing that you need to check is all the bushings. For instance, here you have bushing for the right here for the wheel hub, one for the shock, okay, one on the control arm there. You have another bushing right here, one over there, okay, and you have right here another control arm, okay, that can do that as well. So loose bushing can do that in some cases too. Another thing, it could be in some cases bed shock as well. Bed shocks can cause that noise rattle in addition to the sway bar links and the bushings. Now, wheel bearing noise and brake noise is completely different noise, but we have the video about that. It will be more like a humming noise. Usually you will be able to hear it at high speeds. The other noise and rattle, you can hear it at any speed, and even sometimes it's even more noticeable at lower speeds. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.